guys, welcome to today's video. We have an after dark to go to at OSW tonight, so I'm getting the 240 ready right now. This is going to be the first event that I brought the 240 with, where I'm actually having boost in the engine. Every event I've been to with this car for over a year now, I've had the major boost leak under the turbo where the wastegate reference wasn't plugged. So it's been like the lag of a big turbo on this car, but the power drop off of a small turbo. So I've been down probably 75 to 100 horsepower. Oh, I got it in the valve cover. Never want that. Boy, rig loaded up, we pulling up. I got an extra set of tires as usual. The line is ripping, so time to sit in a hot car for an hour. Golly, I hate this part of coming to the track. Getting sunburnt in my car. Oh man, it's hot dog time, but it started raining. That sucks.
Does that all the time.
The wipers struck again.
You have a heater core?
No.
Nice. Hello, YouTube.
I think I need new pads.
Were they that bad when you took them off?
Huh?
Were they that bad when you took them off?
Yeah. They were like completely glazed. It's like wheel hopping on them.
That sounded busted.
Let's get the shiesty on.
What the No way. Bro, you're gonna have to edit out so much shit talking. We need to be positive.
I'm just gonna edit it out and like make a compilation of you shit talking and I'm gonna get you canceled.
Just hold it over my head, be like, this is the illegal tender, you guys.
This is the illegal tender you don't know. So hard. See better.
Bro, what's your name?
Evan.
Evan, this is his first time in a drift car.
Oh, cool.
Make it his last.
All right. That fun?
That was so good.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you so much.
No
man.
problem.
It's my first time, man.
Oh, that's sick, bro.
Yeah, it's my first time. It's so awesome.
Sick, thank you. Man, it is so hot out here. It's raining. I thought it'd cool off, but it's so freaking hot. Let's see where my tires are at. 32, way too much. I usually drive at like 18.
Bro.
My bad, I got no hydro. Was it really? That was last run?
The legitimacy of the story until now, I love it.
Media guys out here with his DS. Sketchy up there. That was weird in the beginning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
No formation whatsoever.
We formed up at the end.
Sketchy.
You're on double spots. You had too much angle.
Yeah. His exits are crazy.
Really good tandem, but like right at the end, he almost lost it.
Yeah, that was good. Didn't feel hard.
Too much?
Yeah, I have my tires too aired up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. Was your bumper on? Did you have
have your bumper?
Yeah, I had my bumper.
Is this where you hit?
Yeah, right about here.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Yeah, that'll probably even come off. Mine's completely fine. Oh well. That could have been a lot worse.
That would have been a lot worse.
Now this is gonna be fun at night. This, when the media comes out, when the pictures come out, this shit.
You're gonna know who's riding.
Hell yeah.
That was a good run.
Yes! Let's go! It made me grip onto it and change the color.
Dude, my throwout bearing is grinding so hard every time I press the clutch in.
It's fine.
Wait, where's my boy?
I don't know.
Wait. Got a little crazy. Oh, we're really hot. I tried to throw it big angle.
Dude. Hell yeah.
I think I should call it.
You're done?
I think so. My car's not working right. I don't want to push it any further.
Yeah, no, smart move, smart move.
I'm getting that vibe, you know?
Yeah, smart move.
I tried to do a backy on the first corner.
That was fun. I was like, this is what the grass is like.
Some Limmy for the outro, you know? No flames. It's the throttle. The throttle.
Yeah.
Do you want the glove? Is it hot?
Yeah, it's fine.
We're all packed up and we're headed out of here. Ugh. I'm cutting the night a little short because this wasn't feeling the vibes anymore. I got that feeling that I should stop driving, so I did. And we're heading out with an intact car, which is good. And a running car, so we're good. Damn, it is so hot. My glasses are so fogged. I probably look crazy right now. All right, we made it. Got home pretty early, like 11:30, not bad. Rig did pretty good today. Some things we gotta fix. I glazed over the brake pads when I was trying those backies in the last video. The handbrake got stuck on the highway. Okay, so here's the extent of the damage from our, oh man, it's coming right off. I just wanted to see if this was gonna come off with a WD-40. And a little rubbing, and it looks like it is, mostly. You'd never even know I caused a car accident over here. Maybe there. It's a little bad right there, but I think that's from a tire. That's not even from today.
We're making it on that second first zone now, inside the fullback. John trying to pull in a bit on transition into outer zone number 3.